Advent. It's December 6th, the 6th day of our Lego Star Wars Advent calendar. I'm Father Patrick Funston. I see you found it. Good job. I'm Father Patrick Funston from St. Paul's Episcopal Church in Manhattan, Kansas. This is
Darlene, and I like to play with my quiet time app. I like to play with my Abbott tablet, and I also play when I have games on them, but I have a Star Wars game that is I have a white guy.
Is it like a stormtrooper? Yeah.
No, it's not. It's like it had a little feet.
It has little feet, like a droid.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Excellent.
And I also play Barbie games on here, and I also have Disney games on there.
Is that your reaction to Barbie?
And
Me too.
And I just love playing with my Barbies.
Excellent there, Nate. Can we
always-
pause? And we'll continue that I like to play with tomorrow.
And I just don't like to. I just like to play with my tablet all day.
Do you remember 2 years ago when it was like hard to get her to talk to the camera? Look at her now. Look at me now. You say that. All right. And this is York.
The Advent calendar.
He's falling asleep. Hang on. All right. Today's day 6. The Advent word for today is light. Yesterday it was night, and today it is light. Advent 6.
Okay.
Grab it. Wait. Oh, you're right. Okay, pull it. Now it's harder. Yeah, they get kind of hard, huh? What is that? Let's make it. We have a special guest in the studio today with us. He's sitting on top of the camera. Do you want to say anything, special guest?
It's Star Wars!
It's Star Wars. Have we been doing this the whole time? We just now realized it was Star Wars?
Yeah.
Ernie, what's on your shirt? Can you show the people? Do you see anybody? Is there anybody in there that is worthy of note?
Leia? Darth Vader, but I don't know who.
Is Leia the best of the Disney princesses?
No.
No.
She's in
No.
Star Wars.
She's in Star Wars. Okay, but technically Disney now, so she could be a Disney princess.
I want to do these little big things.
Okay, York, did you just put something in your mouth? You're holding it. Thank you very much. I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna use this little Lego Technic piece. I need to be able to see all the little pieces. I need this little. Where did it go? You've got it, Yorkie. Thank you very much. Hold that. This is actually every year they include a little build that's like. Wow. That one actually doesn't go there, but thank you. They include a piece that's actually like a build of a like a set design, like one of the cities or something. All these little pieces that we're throwing all over the place. Here we go. Put that one there. And then where's that little clear piece? The little clear piece goes right there. And Yorkie, can we put that one on the very top like this? Yeah. Okay, let's not lose those little clear pieces so the vacuum doesn't get them. This one's neat. Look at this. Look at this one. Got to put it up to the camera. There we go. What is that? That is Cloud City. Cloud City, the floating planet the floating city, refinery city on the planet Bespin, the gas giant Bespin. This is where, remember yesterday we talked about the Millennium Falcon running away from Darth Vader and him sending all the bounty hunters. This is where where it goes to see Lando Calrissian and the Cloud City. The Advent word is light. So Advent light. Cloud City floats in the gas above the gas giant of Bespin because it's lighter than the gas that it mines. Right? It's not, I mean, technically, I mean, it's probably more an issue of density than it is of lightness. You know what I'm talking about. What are you making? Little crutch or something? What's that have to do with Advent? Well, the prophet Isaiah is a very important prophet to the entire life of Jesus.
Are we gonna do that tomorrow?
Prophesied Jesus' birth from a young woman, which was translated into the virgin birth. Translated.
Are we gonna do this tomorrow?
We are number 7. Well, that's 9. The Emmanuel, God with us, but he's also a very important prophet for the whole of Jesus' life, especially his dialogues about the suffering servant. And one of the things that he says in one of the suffering servant songs is that Christ has borne our iniquities, borne our sorrows, and borne our griefs. And one of the ways that Jesus kind of translates that is when he says that, come unto me, all ye that are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. I will make the heaviness of your world, the heaviness of the gases around you, lighter. Hashtag light. Hashtag I have a word. All right, let's show Cloud City, which now has an extra little thing on the top. And so that's Star Wars Empire Strikes Back. Cloud City, happy Advent. You want to say happy Advent?
Happy Advent. I love you. I'm going to talk to that tomorrow.
Bye.
There's